Welcome to Traveling Rocks. This is one of the bowling station, Rødovre bowling station, based on Rødovre commune. It's very near from my house. So look at this, biggest dining area, sitting area here. The pool table. You need to use or wear the shoes after going there. Prices of this bowling is 6 people. 1 hour is a 210 Danish krona for 6 people. It's affordable. And for the shoes price is 20 Danish krona. It means 6 people you can consider like a 120 Danish krona here and 210 Danish krona here, means 330 Danish krona for per hours, max 6 people. Here the 2 hours price is also available. That one is affordable. You decide which one is suitable for you accordingly. The link is available on same video description. अरे यार now is first me. Oh, oh, yes.